Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy YouTube channel, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm a Dukas Copy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh. I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. Therefore, whatever I'm going to share with you here in this webinar, they are my own opinions, and we'll be doing just the price action analysis over here, skipping about everything that is there in fundamental. Although there are no news today, but still, even if it was there, we would have not discussed it, because we will only be looking at the price action. In a very quick time, I will just tell you the daily and the weekly levels that are of importance so that you can have them on your charts. Although this webinar is only for entertainment purpose, or you can say some information purpose, you cannot see them as a trading advice. These webinars that we are doing here, they are not trading advice. Okay, but yes, some meaningful information is there and you should use that information, but at your own risk. Okay, you can keep my levels on your chart so that you have an informed decision, but ultimately this is not a trading advice, and you should do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. All right, and also if you want to make it more interactive in nature, then please ask the questions that you have in your mind in the chat box that is provided on the right side of the video. Okay, and let me start this. Before I start, I must again tell you that everything I say in this live stream is only for information. Okay, please do not take it as a trading advice. Now let us go through the risk disclaimer and then we will go to the charts. All right, so here we are. This is the dollar index daily time frame right now on your screen. Can you see that, everybody? We had a potential of price coming back to 103.68, and that is exactly what has happened. Now, will we be looking at the lower charts? We are not sure, but yes, after going a little bit higher, we should be looking at the lower charts. For that, we have to break and close below 103.68 and also this rising channel. Although the price looks like in an uptrend, but after a break here, 103.68 area, this price has made a high over here, and now that high is a solid high, or you can say a valid high, because the price has seen a lower low after that. Okay, so the price is now going like this, so expect it to come back to this area and then come back to 102.80. so I'm expecting the dollar index to go down in the near future, but the exception is that it should break below this rising channel. Okay, the channel is not true. Okay, this is the two channel. All right, now we can just remove these levels from the chart, and also this channel, also this one. All right, so this is the important information that I wanted to share with you, that there is a possibility that the price will start rising from here to 104.44 area, maybe from where I am expecting it to go down again towards 103.68 and even maybe towards 102.80. Now what is happening in the pound? In the pound, it has broken higher than the previous high here. Now when the price goes higher than the previous high, what happens? A low is established, right? We had a high here. Okay, then we made another high over there. So in between these two highs, what is the highest low? So this is the highest low. So this is now established low. So we will be long in this market till the time the price goes below this area of interest. All right. So this is all about it. And now, okay, I think this channel has been able to keep the prices lower than that. So if it happens and the price closes below 1.2683, that will be an indication that more weakness is possible in this market. Like maybe the price can go back towards 1.2574 like this before going up. Okay, this is possible. But anyways, the bias is bullish. That means the bulls are able to take the prices higher than the previous high. So that means they are trying to take control of the market. Although they are right now not in control of the market, but yes, there is a possibility that they will take control. All right. What about the euro? In euro also the price has made a higher high, but it also has failed to close higher than 1.0876, which is a resistance. In fact, this is a confluence of two resistances. One is this falling channels resistance line, and the other one is this horizontal level of 1.0876. Now, for some reason, this has happened, although there was no news in the market today. But yes, the price failed to go and stay beyond these highs. So that's why this low now is established low. Until the time the price is not trading below this 1.0791, we will be looking for the buying opportunities only. Now what you can do is you can switch it to 2 hours or maybe 4 hours as per your convenience, and you can expect a channel forming here like this. You can expect something like this happening here in this market. Okay, now when that happens, this is generally what happens when the price consolidates. Okay, and you can expect something like this. All right, what is happening in the Australian dollar? Well, Australian dollar yesterday only it was able to clean a close higher than this falling channel or trend line. Now I have drawn a trend line, but you can also draw a channel in this one. The channel will also be of the similar nature. All right, so this channel has been broken yesterday. Today the price went higher. Now similar is the case. The price has seen a high here and a higher high here, and in between these two highs, what is the highest low? This one. So this now becomes a valid low. So because this is a valid low now, therefore till the time the price is trading above this, we can be only looking for the higher highs, or you can say the bullish price action. Okay, now the first target is this recent high that the price has made today, 0.6644, and the next target is 0.6668. Okay, what has happened in the New Zealand dollar? Something similar in the New Zealand dollar also, but it has been able to close higher than the potential resistance of 0.6047. Now with that said, the price has started making higher highs and higher lows. So now in this case also, this becomes a valid low, which is 0.5986. Now till the time the price is staying above this, we can be looking for the higher targets of 0.6107 and 0.6217 also. Also note that this falling trend line is very far away, so there is a huge upside for the New Zealand dollar to go. USD CHF, yesterday only we have discussed that there is a potential of head and shoulder pattern forming at the peak, and that will be converted into a confirmed head and shoulder when the price breaks below 0.8996 area. Now when that happens, we can look for this area to act as a resistance, and then we can target the prices which are equal to the height of this pattern, and that will be somewhere here. Okay, so we can target 0.8893 area on the downside once the price breaks below 0.8996. What about the USD CAD? I'm bullish on this one also, as the price has been able to break higher than this 1.3620 day before yesterday. So yes, 1.3620 is the first target in that case, and the second target will be 1.3777. There's nothing much to talk about in the USD CAD. Yeah, for some reason, if the price starts falling from here and breaks below and closes below this rising channel, then 0.3620 may be a resistance, or you can say this area, this entire area will start acting as a resistance, or you can say confluence of resistance. Something like this may be expected in that case. All right. Talking about the USD JPY, it is tapping again and again on the ceiling of this area 151.90 to 151.97. So tapping again and again and again results in what? You see, USD JPY is the only pair that is not falling as of now. Rest all pairs, US pairs have been falling or doing something, but USD JPY, nana. Okay, it is staying at the same level, quite range. I think there is a lot of longs building up here before a breakout above 151.97, and if that breaks, then this is the target 142, 151. That is approximately 162 will be the target for this one. 159.88 will definitely be taken if the price breaks higher than 151.97. So be cautious. Okay, do not sell this market here. This is not in a sell mode. This will go in sell mode only if the price breaks below 150.26. So keep that in mind. Okay. New Zealand CAD, well, we have already declared that an uptrend has begun in this one. First target being 0.8254. Price is moving very strongly towards that. So now the support may be seen around 0.8181. The first target is 0.8254 and the second target is 0.8346. Bitcoin, like we were expecting it to take this liquidity and then come down, and it is coming down. See guys, on the 4 hour now, if it is coming down, that means somebody has sold it at the higher levels, and it is very fast if it is coming down. So the first level that I am going to check on this market is, I think, 60818 level, because from here the price went higher. So if it has taken this, so it will definitely go below 64,554. If it will go below 64,554, then this target will be open 60,818 and maybe even 59,200. So I will be very cautious on the Bitcoin. Now I will not be looking to buy it. In fact, I will be suggesting other friends also, if they're holding Bitcoin, now is the time to get out of it. Timing for Brent, well, 87.71 is the support. In fact, yesterday's low, from where the price has given us a bullish pin bar, is also very strong point, and that comes out to be 88.81. So be very sure that if that 88.81 goes away, or if that is traded today or tomorrow, then this will call a hangman or hanging man, and in that case this is a very bearish candle. Okay, if the low of this candle breaks, then this marks a peak. Now if that becomes a peak, which here it looks like an abandoned baby, so I think the lower prices will be there on this one. 72.33 is the ultimate for me. I think the price will quickly rush towards that in case we see price going below 88.81. Okay. Gold is at all time high. Today again the gold has made a higher high of 2365.56. There is no sign of selling in the gold, so I am not opening up for anything on the gold. Nothing on the gold. Slow consolidation in the Nikkei Japanese index. Any rise 4258 should be seen as a resistance. Any fall 38,278 should be seen as a support. Euro JPY, nice up move, then failed to keep the profits. I am a bit I think I'll like to sit on the sidelines, whereas euro dollar on the daily has gone up today. It also went up, but this has come to the lows of the day already, whereas the euro dollar, okay, euro dollar is also on the lows. So that means this is in perfect in synchronization with the euro. So if it is in perfect synchronization, that means that the price is going to go beyond 165.35 very soon. GBP AUD, well, downside, that is 1.8590 is exposed already in this market we have discussed, and the price has totally started moving towards that. I think there's no need to say that 1.9184 will be the resistance, blah blah blah, and everything. It is understood from the chart. CHA VAPY, we are bearish on this one. So any up move in this should be seen as a selling opportunity with the targets lower towards 165.61 and 162.12. AUD New Zealand, we are bullish on this one, but only to an extent where it meets this falling trend line on the monthly. Okay, from there we are expecting a down move. Euro CHF also we are bullish. Yesterday we have seen that resistance and even tested 0.9842. Any close above that will be exposing the high targets of 1.0042, right? Last is the Nasdaq. I don't think that anybody of you is trading Nasdaq, so let's not talk about this. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those questions. I'll be very happy to answer those questions, and if not, then I would like to wrap up this session for you. All right guys, I see no questions over here, so let me wrap up this session for you by saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk 1% or less of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. We are streaming here 1700 hours every day. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. See you tomorrow at 1700. Bye bye. Take care.